Hey Barney, this is Al from the MIST 4620 course. You gave a pretty good lecture on some tips to be more successful on this project. And again, I wanted to thank you for giving me your contact information to get in touch with you and run by some of my issues that I was running with. So I do plan on keeping this very, very short. But again, thank you so much for giving me your contact, and let's get right to it. Yeah, so part of our acceptance criteria is to be able to generate an audit report so that people could see what people did. And this is what my report looks like. I have the report pulled up on. I did make the report and essentially list every action for um, for whatever action was made by any actor. But I was running into one particular issue, so I just made a test tab right here. And when I click on that, this is going to be the tab where I can make the audit report. When I click on that tab, and this is where the report is supposed to be, but it says we can't draw this chart because there's no data. And that's a huge UI error, and I wanted to see if you could help me figure out why that is happening. I tried looking online, and I remember you saying Google would be your best friend, and for some reason I wasn't able to run into any solutions there. But let me show you this one thing. When I click on this right here, and it says we can't draw this chart, I say view report, and then basically I could do I could click on administrative reports and click on this approval process instance test. That's like the custom report I made, and I can see the report here. So when I take those steps, like I could see the audit report, but initially when I click on test, it's not showing up. I have to go through those steps to actually see that chart. So I was wondering if you could help me clarify that. I was having a similar issue when I was trying to make a dashboard as well. So essentially it would say we can't draw this chart because there's no data. So even when I try to make a dashboard, aside from a report, it would give me the same error, and I had to go through the same stuff for it to function properly. And I just can't find a way to mitigate around that. So I could really use your help on finding a solution to that. And again, the issue is that I just have to navigate through these tabs, and I don't want the user to have to go through that because it could be kind of confusing. But once I navigate through it, it's there, but I want it to be able to, when I click on the tab, it's already there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I have so far right now, and everything else is functioning pretty decently. I just have to work on more of the UI stuff. But your help is truly appreciated. Thank you so much.